518.21. Deer. Yes, deer. The last time we tested that 100-day moving average, which was back on 5.3, that low was 370, and then we rallied and made an all-time high. Oh, yes, we did. Right up to 400. What a great move that was. That is where that money has been going into since last November, and they have. And then we had faded back off of the high with deer, tested the 50-day, came up, and then today we're actually closing below that 50-day moving average, and we're at a critical bottom right there where the trend line is. Should we break that trend line tomorrow? Now, let me just tell everyone something. There is also a daily sell signal. It's not a big one, but there is a daily sell signal. It's not a buy signal. Okay. It's not a big sell signal. It's minus 1.33 though. Okay, for this stock. And last time when we get into sell signals, they don't last a long time. They can either consolidate or come off of it. But I can tell you that we have waited to buy the dips, and the money's been rotating in here since November of 2020. And every time we get a pullback, they're generally fairly shallow. This one is down $13.86. I'll do Cummings in the next one, and I'll also do Caterpillar. Because once again, it wasn't just tech that sold today, everyone. These names, there was profit taking in them and whatnot. And there was profit taking in some of the commodity names, some of the steel names, and some of the names where that money still continues to rotate in there on pullbacks no matter what. We're going to watch this carefully because if we do break down, then I'm going to pull up a monthly chart on deer, and this is the monthly level, and the support level that we would be looking at on it would be right around 350, 150. That would well, actually be a little higher. 355 would be ideal. That is the top of this monthly breakout bar that happened on 2/1 of 2021. Oh, yeah. As this thing, like I said, they've been accumulating these stocks, everyone. And you can see where we rallied up off of the 100-day and the 50-day over here, and we just kept going. Yes, we did. And now on the monthly level, we have another all-time high of $400. Okay. And on the weekly chart, I mean, back to the daily chart, is that we are breaking below it. And once again, it's always acts as a support level, but this time it has a sell signal. So we really invite it to sell down. In fact, we're so greedy, we want to see it break support, so it's going to give us an entry opportunity. That's exactly what we want to have happen here. And I can tell you, money is still going to go here no matter what. The fundamentals are excellent no matter what, and they're going to keep selling worldwide no matter what. And more Deere tractors, whatever you want to call them, they have all different kinds of makes and models and whatnot, but they're going to be a supply and demand. And with a lot of things that are going on right now, we see that along with many of the other value plays, is that when they do get their pullbacks, if you don't get in, they just bounce. But this one today is a little bit different, and this is going to be that support level. Oh yeah, and it's sitting on it. So we're greedy. We hope it breaks down, because if it breaks down, then we get to buy it even cheaper. And that's exactly what we want to do here, because this is where the new change is going to be. So we welcome the pullback in Deere and to buy that one on every dip that we can get our hands on, unless something fundamentally was to happen. Well, then all bets are off, but we don't see that.